When I was probably in 7th or 8th grade, I went for a dental cleaning to my cousin. He's a gum specialist. And when he looked at my teeth, he got really mad. He said, "You are going to lose your teeth if you continue to form that tartar on your teeth." Have you struggled with the tartar in the bottom front area, commonly known as build-up? I see a lot of patients in my practice and they really struggle to keep that area clean. So November is a National Diabetes Month, and you may have seen my post before that if the gums are not healthy, they can lead to high blood sugar level and diabetes. So I want to share some tips with you today so you can maintain that bottom front teeth area and never have that build up again on your teeth. If you have not met before, my name is Dr. Mansi Oza. I'm a cosmetic and a general dentist. I'm the owner and the founder of Thermon Smiles. At Thermon Smiles, we are passionate about helping you smile more and smile more confidently. And to be able to achieve the best results, we utilize cutting-edge technology. And my approach is always from inside out. So when we design your smile, they last you a lifetime. So let's talk about today's tip. So the first thing to know is that there is a difference between plaque and tartar. So the plaque is the soft film, it's sticky and it forms on everyone's teeth. So it's that fuzzy feeling on the teeth when we wake up in the morning. So if it stays on the teeth, then the calcium in our saliva will stick to it, and then that will harden, and that's when it's called tartar. So if we remove the plaque effectively, the tartar can never form. So let me show you here in the bottom front area how we can remove the plaque effectively. So I have a sample here. This is a manual toothbrush, but you can do the same with the electric toothbrush too. So this is the struggle area for most people. So what you want to do, instead of going horizontally, you want to hold your brush upside down like so and go up and down in this area. So you know how your teeth feel after your dentist or hygienist cleans your teeth. The teeth feel like clean, squeaky glass, and that's the feeling you want to remember. So every time after you brush that bottom front area, just run your tongue over that area and make sure that the teeth feel squeaky clean. You have to floss that area, because if you don't, then the plaque will stick in between teeth and you will form tartar there. So again, just clean that area well, don't let the plaque stick, follow the up and down motion, and you will never form tartar again. I know I don't. So I hope this tip really helps you. If you have any questions about our smile design process, you can visit our website, or you can call us, or I am just a direct message away, or you can comment below and I will reach out to you. And our process starts with a no obligation Get Your Dream Smile consult with me. We sit down together. I want to know what you would like to improve about your smile, and you will get to know about our processes. So I hope this helped, and I will see you next time. Keep smiling.